Previously on Adventure First. Me and Catherine won Best Dressed at the Rocklands Rally. I came in second place in the climbing competition and I won a video competition. Then the adventure started. Kayaking from Capetown to Swakopmund, where I will take the mountain bike to Tanzania and hike up Kilimanjaro.
Hallo, ek het gehoor jy het nou gefokkels.
Yeah, I am safe on the beach. I'm actually sitting at a restaurant having a hot chocolate. So yeah, that's that.
How did it go?
It started off okay. And yeah, I did approximately 12 k's, then yeah, going out, one of the waves caught me and kind of rolled me. Everything got wet, the boat kind of split open, and then yeah, I got the shore and then I had to carry all my wet stuff to a restaurant here, and then yeah, now I'm having a hot chocolate and I'm gonna start googling how to fix this thing now.
Oh, that's quite shit. Side pickup.
Yeah, well, yeah, anyway, listen dude, I'm gonna start trying to see what I can do about the kayak and everything and what and then I'll chat to you maybe tonight. Can you just remember to send me Annie's number?
I already sent a number to you.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Cool.
Enjoy your day.
Pleasure, bro. Alright,
Cheers. Okay, so I am on my way. I'm decided to go to Langebaan for the weekend. Since the kayak will still be a while before it's fixed, so I'm going to visit a friend in Langebaan. I caught a left on the back of a bakkie, and we are on our way. I'm not sure exactly how far he's going, but cool, we'll see. So my last lift dropped me at Melkbosstrand, and I've been waiting 20-25 minutes to catch my next lift. And this is the weather situation behind me. It's quite dark, and yeah, I just hope someone picks me up before I get caught out by a rainstorm. That won't be ideal, but yeah, let's just keep the thumb in the air and hope. And sorry, what's the little guy's name? Eli. Say hi, Eli. But yeah, cool. On my way. Okay, so previous lift took me to Duinefontein. And yeah, now I'm again on the back of a bakkie. This guy actually invited me to sit in front, but there was a lot of shit in front, so I said no, chill, I'll sit on the back. He's going to Eisenfontein, so that's at least relatively close. Now finally I'm going to be making some proper progress towards Langebaan. Okay. So yeah, last time you saw me I was on a kayak on my way to Swakopmund. Didn't get very far, 12 k's before I capsized and the kayak broke. Yeah, sorted out my wet clothes and everything yesterday. Everything was wet except for the laptop and the Weet-Bix. So yeah, then I sorted out everything last night and this morning, and then I started hitchhiking to Langebaan. In total I caught 6 lifts, of which 3 was in or on the back of buckies, because yeah, I probably look like a stanky hippie or something. But yeah, met some cool people, and I am now in Langebaan at a friend of mine that I know from university days.
What's up?
Christo. Yeah, so he's gonna make us a lekker coffee. And yeah, then I'll be around here, see what we get up to this weekend. We actually just saw a dolphin jump. They jumped again. I don't think you guys will be able to see it. I didn't bring my big camera of the lens, but we are walking a bit closer. Maybe I can show him to you guys, hopefully. But yeah, this is quite cool. Okay, so we decided to go snorkel and see if we can swim with the dolphins that we just saw. Christo has 1 wetsuit. So we are going to Ching Chong Cha.
And the water is really cold. The water is, I think today it's like 11 or 9 degrees. So we're gonna play Ching Chong Cha now for wetsuit.
Okay. Ching Chong Cha.
I won. So
no,
okay, best out of
3. Best out of 3.
Card. Okay.
Okay, Ching Chong Cha.
Okay, last one. Only one there. Okay.
Ching Chong Cha. Ching Chong Cha. Ching Chong Cha.
So it means Ruan lost, so he's wearing my board shorts.
Okay, this is gonna be cool. But yeah, it will be cool if you can see the dolphins from inside the water. Okay, so we are getting ready for this, and I just had a thought that the mustache might actually cause a water leak. I see some seals jumping around. Hopefully one jumps up now. Anytime now. So this is Christo. Literally the only piece of skin is right there. Like, he's covered properly. And then yeah, this is me.
Like a blanket. One blanket.
Yeah, let's go. There he goes. But he Sid. Ja, ich bin ab. Wanneer die dat klap val nie. Yo, we're sitting here on the island. A small island. Alles plat klip. Ik vang met een kristal. Letterlijk een plat klip. Nou springen. Did you get that? Did you get that, guys? Flippin' seal.
We thought it was a dolphin.
Yeah, ended up not being a dolphin, it's a seal. We went for a quick dive, and then we quickly visited some people Chris to know that lives close to the beach, and then the guy gave us 2 fish, stompneus fish to braai. So yeah, we're gonna braai that tonight. Yeah, very cool. Very nice to meet generous people, and very excited to taste how that's gonna taste.
We made a fire, and while waiting for the wood to make calls, I saw the neighbors passing by with their dog, and I couldn't resist going to say hi. Inside the car, surfboard loaded, ready to go. We are ready. So we had a quick surf session, didn't go super well, but yeah, it was super fun. So I came down to the water, and the water's quite clear at the moment compared to our previous dive attempts. So I'm contemplating to come for a dive. Okay, so I'm properly dressed this time. The water's clear. Everything seems to be working in my favor. So I just had a diving session here in Jacobsbaai. Nice little quick adventure, last one before I head back to Capetown tomorrow. I'm gonna take a bus, and yeah, I had my mountain bike sent there, so I'm hopping on the mountain bike tomorrow, since the kayak's still not fixed yet. And yeah, then I'm not sure where I'll be sleeping tomorrow night. I'll figure that out on the way, but I'm just excited to get going with this journey for the second time. And yeah, I'm sure this time it will go better, and I'm excited for everything I'm going to see along the way.